Hi, this is Erin Fisher, Technology Integration Facilitator for the East Bridgewater Public Schools, and this is my top 10 of where I learn all my tech tips. So I'm going to go right in order, starting with number 1, my favorite guy, Eric Kurtz of Control Alt Achieve. He posts a weekly or monthly update. He sends tech letters. He's on Twitter. He's on YouTube. You can see here he's got a podcast. I learned quite a bit from him, and he is my number 1 tech guru that I follow. Coming in a close number 2, though, is Free Tech for Teachers by Richard Byrne. He also does a newsletter you can subscribe to, and his blog has a lot of other great resources. You can find him on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and he posts a lot of great tips and tricks. Number 3, Ditch That Textbook. He's great, Matt Miller. He gives away so many free resources, templates, fun ideas, and he's just a great guy. Local girl, Massachusetts girl, Jen Jenkins, amazing. If you ever get the chance to see her at any workshops, I highly suggest that you attend. She has a great blog and newsletter you can subscribe to. I learn a lot of tips from her. She always teaches me something new, and she's a very kind and wonderful person. Number 5, another local girl, also supports educators in the Plymouth Public Schools. She does a great job giving away free items. She's got so many great resources out there. I follow her on Twitter. She's a great sharer. Julie Boucher of Flipped Tech Coaching. Highly recommend if you ever get the chance to see her. Definitely someone to follow. She has great ideas. MassQ, the Massachusetts Computer Using Educators Group. I learned so much from everyone that's a member here. I follow them on Twitter, follow them on Instagram, Facebook. They are just a great resource. You can subscribe to their newsletter if you're a member. Definitely worth it. TikTok, my newest PD, and the 2 that I am learning the most from are Heather Fisher, a trailblazing teacher. She posts great ideas with Chrome and extensions and just awesome stuff. And Jessie Maglio. She does a great job posting some teacher tips as well as self-care tips, and she has great products that she gives away for free as well. And last one, my own little self-promotion, but I post all this great stuff as well, and you can find me on FishOnAMission as well as my YouTube channel and all the other social media. And that's my top 10 of where I learned so many great tips. Thank you.